Welcome to Career 9 Jobs. In this video, I will tell you a very latest job opening that has been published in Deloitte, company Deloitte, and the location is Hyderabad. The designation for which they are hiring is Analyst GLAS for Hyderabad location. Now this update was found or gotten from LinkedIn. When I clicked on apply, I was redirected to this screen. Now I have put the link of this page in the description of this video. For all the people who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe. Every day I'm going to publish latest job openings depending on the location: Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, and different cities in India. So subscribe to my YouTube channel Career 9 Jobs, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get all the notifications on time. Every day you will get job alert videos like this one. Now when I went to this page, I can see a apply now button, but before that I want to explain you what are the requirements for this job. Now if I scroll down, I can clearly see that they are looking for fresher or people who have 1 year of corporate experience, any graduation, and any graduate who is fresher or anybody who has up to 1 year of corporate experience can apply for this job, Analyst GLAS. Now let us see what are the skills they are looking for. They are looking for good verbal and written communication skills. They are also looking for good knowledge on email etiquette. The candidate should also understand or know how to write emails, how to reply to emails. Should have basic knowledge of Excel, MS Excel, and should be able to read data and use the Excel features like sorting, removing duplicates, filtering. These are very basic features of Excel sheet or MS Excel. You can definitely learn how to read data, how to use the Excel features like sorting, removing duplicates, and filtering by using Google or by watching YouTube videos. Before applying or after applying, please check these 3 options or the very basic features of MS Excel in YouTube. Now after that, they are also requiring should have experience of handling cases or tickets. I mean to say support tickets. If anybody the team they are looking for, the team members they are looking for, they will be assigning the candidates, fresher or less than 1 year of experience candidates, into support ticketing kind of process or team. Now should have ability or to team with others. Okay, the candidate should have ability to gel with others, also to mingle with others. Should have ability to interact well with internal clients and understand their requirements. Internal clients means Deloitte clients or Deloitte team members. The candidate should be able to interact with them in English. Of course, they should understand what the other person is expecting from the work and all those stuff. So I would say communication skills, good communication or interpersonal skills is required here. Should be able to prioritize time and task. The candidate or the fresher person should be smart enough to communicate or to prioritize or to divide time and work on multiple tasks. Now should have basic knowledge of creating MS PowerPoint presentation. So the basic thing they are expecting from the candidate is definitely good communication skills, good spoken English skills also, and they also want email. The candidate should be able to write email, reply email in a very systematic or corporate manner. They are also looking for the candidate who can work on Excel sorting, removing duplicates, filtering. The candidates should also have a good idea about MS PowerPoint presentations. Now all these things like how you will grow in Deloitte, you can read out in this part of the screen. Now what are the benefits of joining Deloitte is given here. Deloitte is definitely a very good company, a very good corporate company, and once you join this company, you will have plenty of opportunities to grow, to learn different skills. Now at the top of the screen, you can see what is the role. The role is for learning administrator level associate analyst. Associate analyst is the very basic level or level 1 we can say. Are you an individual who is customer service oriented, enjoy providing service to internal clients in different countries? So they are definitely looking for a customer service executive, or a person who will work on customer service or technical support kind of team. Global Learning Administration Service. This is what the project is all about. This is all about the project they are looking for. The candidate will also provide day-to-day support on Deloitte Learning Platform Administration, specializing as an admin role in the SABA Cloud LMS. This is their application, their software that Deloitte is using, I guess. Should work as part of an extended team for internal clients. Okay. Provide expertise services as catalog management, session and roster management, along with advanced administration and reporting to the clients. All these are the responsibilities of the candidate who will be joining this team, or who will be joining as an analyst or as an learning administrator. So the candidate, all of you who are watching this video, please read this requirement clearly, understand what is the requirement, and if this requirement is matching your skills or not, and if everything looks good, if you are able to understand the process, if this process interests you, then click on the apply now option. Now before clicking the apply now option, you also have to make sure that your resume is complete and your resume is up to date. Your resume is updated with all the latest information of your details, not your friend's details. Your resume should show your details, only your details. Click on the apply now option, and then the Deloitte Net or the Deloitte software will ask us to register. If you are a new person, if you have not registered in Deloitte's career section, then you have to register first. After that only we will be able to apply our candidature or our profile. Now we are definitely a new user. Click on this new user button, enter your details, and then Deloitte software is asking us to enter all our details. So there are how many steps? There are 6 steps that you have to complete. So this is how you can apply for Deloitte for the analyst or the associate analyst position. I have also shared the link of this page in the description of this video, so you can apply today itself. Do not delay the process. Read each and everything and apply today itself. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family members also. Let them also get this opportunity or apply to Deloitte company through this video or through this link. Share this video with your friends and family members also. If you have any questions, put down your question in the comment section. I will reply you back. If you like the explanation and the information in this video, please click the like button. And all the people who have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, Career 9 Jobs, subscribe today itself, and I will see you with a new job opportunity in tomorrow's video. Thank you and bye.